doing my own compressor setup, copying everybody else. It seems like it works for them. I gotta try it too. Cobalt from I think Lowe's. They had a good price on it. Good sale price is like $3.50 or 400 bucks. I went ahead and paired it, as you can see. I connected it already to this small one that I already had. I had this one for a while now. I think my wife bought it for me for like Father's Day. It's a 15-gallon. Doesn't have a whole lot pushing through, as you can see here. The specs on it. But what I'm hoping is that just like everyone I've seen on YouTube do this, connecting both of these will give me the PSI and the continuous airflow that I need in order to paint the car. So with this already having a halfway decent CFM number, obviously I want to get that up, and then I can press this PSI. I think this one goes up to like 150, right? So it's gonna always stay like around 120, which is great, because then I'm gonna have good flow of air through the gun. And then of course, your gun, you're only running your gun at like, I don't know, 29, 30 PSI in some cases, turning it up and down just to make sure you got good flow. But I'm really hoping this setup works. As you can see, I just kind of did a quick disconnect here. I took out, there's a plug that goes here on this one. I took it out and removed it. As you can see, that way it's constant air going in. And then also I just ran the line direct over here. So that way, as you can see, it's just ready to rock and roll. And I plugged where the valve used to be over here, so there's no more valve. So this way, this compressor will probably always be running, since there's no more valve relief on it telling it when to shut off. I'll just have to shut it off when I'm done, and just hopefully it'll hold up and it won't burn out. But this one won't have to work as hard, and it'll keep air coming through, and then the setup should work pretty well. Yeah, don't mind the mess back there. That's just, so there you go for your garage compressor setup. I'm hoping that it works for me. It seems like it works for other people on YouTube. So if I can kind of copycat that and make it work for me while I'm out here on the big boy and get it done, that's what I'm looking for. All right, guys, I'll let you know.